From Aradhya classes, once more I am Suresh Pandey, and friends, we had started a chapter 15, Economic Development. Earlier we had seen three parts of this chapter. Now it is our four parts. Friends, in earlier videos we have seen some of the points like what is economic development. What is economic development? Then we had also seen the question, how can we say that economic development is taking place in India? Other one, difference between economic development and economic progress. Economic development and economic progress. We had seen these points. Friends, we had also seen that features of developing economy. Features of developing economy was seen by us. And after it, we had seen difference between economic activity and non-economic activity. Economic activity and friends, non-economic activity. That was seen by us. Non-economic activity. Friends, and we had also seen the structure of Indian economy. Structure of Indian economy. These points have been seen by us. इन पॉइंट्स के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया है. What is economic development? Difference between economic development and economic progress. Features of developing economy. Difference between economic activity and non-economic activity. Structure of Indian economy. These points have been discussed by us earlier in the earlier three videos. Now in this video we are going to discuss that the factors of production. Friends, what they are? Factors of production. उत्पादन के साधन क्या है? वस्तु किस तरह से बनती है, किसके हेल्प से बनती है? Then friends, the factors of production, we have been given four factors of production there. The first one, land. सबसे पहली बात है भूमि की, जमीन की. We all know friends, we all know that land means the upper surface of earth. The upper surface of earth is known as land. But here in this point, land means not this word. Here land means the resources which are found from the land or on the land. Those are all are included in land, like raw materials, minerals, the building we build, all these are in land. The second one, friends, capital. Second one, capital. Capital means money, vitamin M. The first one, land. Secondly, capital. Here capital is used to buy raw materials, to pay laborers, to buy machines, etc. Capital is very important factors of production. Third one, labor. Third one, labor. Friends, any physical or mental activity. What that? Any physical or mental activity. Any physical or mental activity which is done for monetary gain. पैसे कमाने के लिए जो भी शारीरिक या मानसिक कामकाज किया जाता है उसको लेबर बोलते हैं. Labor is only living factor of production. Labor is the only living factor of production. Labor अकेला ऐसी वस्तु है कि जो किसका living factor of production. It is only living factor of production. Friends, the fourth one, entrepreneurship. What that? Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. What means? उद्यम. Friends, entrepreneurship, the above mentioned all three factors, land, capital and labor. Land, capital and labor are combined by a person and make production is known as entrepreneur. Is known as entrepreneur. And his activity, this activity is known as entrepreneurship. At that place, friends, there are four factors of production. Number one, land, capital, labor and entrepreneurship. Land means not the upper surface of earth. Here land means the raw materials or minerals, whatever is found from the land or on the land, those all are included in land. Capital is very important. It is used to buy raw materials, used to pay labor, used to buy machines, etc. Labor. Any physical or mental activity which is done for monetary gain is known as labor. Any physical or mental activity which is done for monetary gain is known as labor. Labor is only living factor of production. Friends, last one, entrepreneurship. The above mentioned three factors of production, land, capital and labor, are combined by a person and used to make production. He is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur, this activity is known as entrepreneurship. Friends, you know, these we having seen factors of production. उत्पादन कैसे होता है, किसके हेल्प से होता है. Now we are going to see distribution of factors of production. What friends? Distribution of factors of production. Distribution of factors of production. Friends, distribution of factors of production. These are also four there. ये भी चार हैं. The factors of production are there four. Number one, unlimited wants. You know friends, what? Unlimited wants. Number two, the first one, unlimited want. Number two, important order in terms of necessities. What that? In terms of necessities. Number three, limited resources. Number three, what friends? Limited resources. And number four there, alternate use of resource. Alternate use of resource. These are friends. Listen, the first one, unlimited wants. Friends, there is limited resources around us. We have limited resources. हमारे पास जो resources हैं कैसे हैं? Limited हैं. And human wants are unlimited. We have limited resources, but human wants are unlimited. It is not possible to satisfy all the wants at a time. It is not possible to satisfy all wants at a time. सारी ज़रूरतों को एक साथ में पूरा नहीं कर सकते हैं. One want arise many other wants. एक ज़रूरत दूसरी बहुत सारी ज़रूरतों को खड़ा कर देती है. एक ज़रूरत की वजह से दूसरी बहुत सारी ज़रूरतें खड़ा हो जाती है. Second one friends, important order in terms of necessities. ज़रूरत के हिसाब से in terms of necessities, important order. I have earlier said that all wants cannot be satisfied at once. सारी जरूरतें एक साथ तो पूरी नहीं हो सकती. All wants cannot be satisfied at once. So that all wants must be listed. जो भी जरूरतें हैं सबकी एक लिस्ट बनानी चाहिए. And which wants are necessary. Which wants are necessary, those should be given important. Which wants are important, those should be satisfied first, later the others. जो ज़रूरतें ऐसी हैं कि जिनको ज़्यादा जरूरी है पूरा करना, उनको पहले पूरा करना चाहिए, और जिनको थोड़ा कम जरूरत हो वो बाद में पूरी करनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रेंड्स, लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज. The resources around us are limited. हमारे आसपास जो resources हैं वो limited हैं. If those are man-made resources और natural resources, शायद वो resources man-made हो सकते हैं या natural हो सकते हैं. जैसे भी resources हैं वो क्या हैं, वो limited हैं. All resources around us are limited. We should not waste any resource. कोई भी resource हमको खराब नहीं करना चाहिए. And last one friends, alternate use of resource. Alternate uses of resource. Friends, you know, if we having any one resource, there are other uses of that resource also. उस resource के और भी बहुत सारे use होते हैं. Like I having marker, I want to draw picture with it. मैं उससे कुछ चित्र बनाना चाहता हूँ. And other of my friend wants to write something with it. उसके साथ में मेरे जो दूसरे टीचर हैं वो उससे कुछ लिखना चाहते हैं. So this marker has many uses. If the marker is engaged with drawing, at the same time the other teacher cannot use it in writing something. On the same way, if in the farm the paddy has been, if in the farm wheat has been grown, and I want to grow there, grow there gram, it is not possible there. अगर खेत में गेहूं की फसल की हुई है और उस टाइम पे मैं सोचूं कि मैं उसके अंदर चने की खेती करूं, तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो भी हमारे पास में रिसोर्सेज है, कौन सा रिसोर्स, जो फार्म है हमारे पास में, वो फार्म पहले से एंगेज है. वो फार्म पहले से एंगेज है. सो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू यूज़ द फार्म एट द सेम टाइम. सेम टाइम पे उसको हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज़ ओनली फ्रेंड्स. सो टुडे वी हैविंग सीन two topics. Number one, factors of production. In that there are 4 factors of production: land, capital, labor and entrepreneurship. We had also seen the second topic, distribution of factors of production. There are also 4. The first one, unlimited wants. Secondly, important order in terms of necessities. Third one, limited resources. And fourth one, alternate use of resources. These 4 things have been seen by us. Friends, these were the factors of production and distribution of factors of production. But now, after this point, there will be methods of allotting resources. Methods of allotting resources, कि जो भी resources हमने तैयार किए हैं वो लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचा जाते हैं. How they are given to people, how they are provided to people, that is also a point. Friends, in the allotting resources there are 2 main methods. There are 2 methods of allotting resources. The first one, market system. What are the friends? The first one, market system, and second one, socialist system. The first one, market system, and second one, social system. Friends, these both, which one? Market system and social system, both are opposite to each other. ये दोनों जो मेथड है वो दोनों एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अलग है, ऑफकोर्स करती है। मार्केट सिस्टम एंड सोशल सिस्टम बोथ आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम each other. Market system is used by USA and Japan. These two countries use market system. Socialist system is used by China and Russia. These four are developed country. ये चारों developed country हैं, but there is difference. In USA and Japan, market system is used. In China and Russia, socialist system is used. That is different there. Friends, in next video, we will discuss about market system and socialist system in detail. Thank you, friends.